Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. Today's video will be another nails video, and these ones are literally one of my favorite nails that I've done in a long time. Some spring inspired nails, and so they're super cute. It's also like very classy, like some clean nails look, you know. If you want to know how I do this, then keep on watching. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the button down below. And I'm also leaving you all of my social media in the description box, and let me know what kind of nail videos you want me to do. Like if you want me to show you like how to remove my nails, or like more tips on making your gelx nails last longer, I would definitely do that. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. We're first prepping our nails with some dehydrator, and this is from the brand Modelones, and I apply it all over my nails and let it dry for a little bit. And then these are the nude tips I was telling you guys about. I really like them. They come in like this set already. They're like already split up. They're perfect for smaller nails. Like I feel like my fingers are super thin and I would struggle with finding the perfect shape, so this one is perfect if you have smaller hands. And once I measure them, I put a thin layer of the gelx and cure it under the lamp just for a little bit so that it's a little sticky. And then I applied a thin small bubble on the tip and apply it on my finger without going too far. And if there is like some extra on the sides, you can clean it with a brush and acetone, but make sure that the gelx doesn't go past your natural nail. If it does, it's uncomfortable and they will start lifting. I always take one nail at a time and make sure that they look all good. And once that is done, I took my electric file and file the edges like closer to the cuticle, making sure there's no extra gelx. Like I said before, like if you don't clean it, they can spill a little bit, and I'll just take the electric file and make sure everything's smooth. Then it comes to shaping. I really like the shape and the length of these tips. I feel like they're not too long, but they do have like those rough edges that they were attached to the line thingy. So I just file them, make sure that everything's smooth and nice. I don't really change the shape of it, but this is the point where you would trim them if you need to. And then after that is done, I will buff them. Then we move on to my favorite part, which is the nail art and designs. And I'm applying this like pinkish nude gel polish as a base. Whenever I'm doing nail art, I do either 2 layers or 3 layers depending on the color of the base. And for this one, I'm doing 2 layers for the middle finger and ring finger, which are the ones that are going to have the nail art, and then I cure them. Now moving on to the design, I'm using the nail polishes from Matte and Glam, which honestly are some of my favorite gel polishes. And I do a French design for basically all the nails except for the middle finger and ring finger. And I cure each individually, like one at a time, making sure that they are all good. And then for the design, I'm doing some flowers because it's spring and the cherry blossom trees are out in Japan and we all love them, love the pictures. So I'm doing some flowers. I'm using a dotting tool for the flowers, first applying 5 dots, and then with the help of the brush, I try to elongate them, making sure that they keep the shape of the flower. Also, depending on how big and long the nail is, it's how many flowers I add. So for the middle finger, I did 3, and for the ring finger, I did 2 flowers. But I realized I could have fit a little bit more. It's just I like something a little bit more simple. Then my favorite part is adding some rhinestones. So for your rhinestones to last longer, I first apply one thin layer of top coat and not cure that, just leave it like that, and then apply the rhinestones on your nail, then cure it. And once that is cured, you apply another layer of top coat on top so that your rhinestones are kind of encapsulated and they will last longer. They will not fall off. Finally, we have to finish with some cuticle oil, applying it all over the cuticle area and massaging it. And that is it for this video. This is the nail look. I hope that you guys like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe on the button down below. See you guys in the next.